In 1970, residents of Taos, New Mexico began reporting a strange, persistent humming noise that seemed to resonate through their homes. This mysterious sound, often described as a faint electric hum, drove many to distraction, leading to sleepless nights and increased stress. Despite extensive investigations, the source of the sound remained elusive. Acoustic engineers and scientists flocked to the area, yet their efforts yielded no conclusive answers. As reports spread, similar noises were reported in other locations, including Canada and the UK. The phenomenon, dubbed the Taos hum, unsettled many, raising questions about environmental factors, psychological effects, and even conspiracy theories surrounding clandestine military operations.